Hi everyone! Welcome to our channel where we explore all things interior design. Today, we're talking about minimalism, one of the most popular design styles of the past decade. Minimalism is all about using only the essentials, getting rid of anything that's not necessary, and creating a space that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. This style is characterized by clean lines, neutral color palettes, sleek furnishings, and an emphasis on functionality. One of the key aspects of minimalism is the use of open floor plans. This allows for a more spacious and airy feeling and improved natural light flow throughout the space. Minimalist design also often incorporates geometric shapes and an emphasis on functionality, which can be seen in the choice of furniture and decor. Another important aspect of minimalism is the use of natural materials, such as wood, stone, and concrete. This ties into the emphasis on sustainability, which is becoming increasingly important in all areas of design. Minimalism is a great choice for those who value simplicity and want to create a space that is chic, sophisticated, and calming. It's also a versatile design style that can be adapted to suit a wide range of personal tastes and preferences. So, whether you're drawn to the clean lines and neutral color palettes or the focus on sustainability and functionality, there's no denying that minimalism is here to stay. It's the perfect design style for anyone looking to simplify and streamline their living space. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design content. See you next time.